How to create an order. Go to the Workflows page. Choose the view that you prefer. You have the List view, Board view to drag and drop your orders, and Calendar view. In a calendar, you can control how busy your specialists are, where you have the free time for an appointment, and also see if your resources are available, for example, posts, hoists, or wheel balancers. Choose the time and the technician that is available. Choose the correct type of form. Now let's add the details about the vehicle we will work with. By providing the real VIN number of the car, the system will automatically fill in group, brand, model, and in some cases modification too, and also some other fields, for example details about the year, engine, fuel, and number of doors. To make it even easier and faster, you can take a picture of the VIN from the mobile app. If the integration doesn't work, go to Settings, Integrations, find the right one and enable it. Here you can also decide what information to take into your order. If you don't have the real VIN number or if you don't want to use it, you can just generate VIN with our system and manually add all required fields. Now let's add details about our client. We can find an existing client by name, email address, or phone number, or we can add a new client. To add a new client, click on the plus sign and name, phone. We can also add multiple phone numbers here, address, and any additional information that we need to keep in the history and save. Next, we need to add the malfunction. Scheduled for. Here we already have the scheduled time chosen from the calendar view, and we can set the duration. Also, let's choose the resource. In additional information, we add manager notes, estimated price. We can check this order as urgent and set the due date. Also, we can take the prepayment. In those fields, we can add the manager of an order and technician who will be responsible for this vehicle. While creating the order, you can add photo of the car or file, add comments, create tasks for your employees and print documents. For example, an order ticket. We click on Create Order. The order is created, the document will be printed with filled information about the vehicle, client's name, your company information, date, malfunction, and so on. Also in the left corner you have the QR code of an order which your client can use to check the order status. Now this order is also added to the calendar. Let's go to the List view. As you see, we checked our order as urgent and we see it in a separate filter. Additionally, please note that you can create orders from few different places in the system. From the customer profile, if your client will call you, you can find the client with the name or phone number and add an order from here. From the vehicle profile, go to Assets, find the vehicle, add an order. You can also add orders from Leads page or from chats.